Good morning, students. Let's solve more question of differentiability. Discuss the differentiability of fx equal to mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 2. Student, fx equals to mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 2. So first of all, we have to simplify the function. Mod of x minus 1 can be written by two ways. Minus x minus 1 in bracket if x minus 1 less than 0, or x less than 1. When 1 will transfer this side, so it will become positive. Mod of x minus 1 can be written as x minus 1 if x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0, or x greater than or equal to 1. Similarly, second part, student, x minus 2. X minus 2 can be written as minus x minus 2 or x minus 2 minus bracket x minus 2 if x minus 2 less than 0 or x less than 2, positive x minus 2 if x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0 or x greater than or equal to 2. Student, this you know, okay, because this is the modulus function. That's why there are two conditions. Now students, we will find out overall value of this function. So first of all, we are going to take x less than 1. So for x less than 1, fx is same. So when x less than 1, that x minus 1 is negative, student. That's why I am written here negative. Or for this, if x less than 1 means this condition will be applied. So it is also negative. Open the bracket, minus x plus 1, minus x plus 2, minus 2x plus 3. Now students, we are going to take x lies between 1 and 2. X greater than equals to 1 but less than equal to 2. So x greater than equal to 1, then its value will be positive, student. This condition will be applied here. And for x less than 2, so this condition will be applied. This part, x minus 2 is negative. X minus 1 minus x minus 2, student. Correct? So when we open the bracket, x minus 1 minus x plus 2, x will be cancelled. Answer 1. Now last condition we are going to take, student, if x greater than equal to 2. So if x greater than equal to 2, student, then this part, x minus 1 will be positive, because here it is given x greater than equal to 1, then it is positive. If x greater than equal to 2, then also this condition will be applied. Correct? And this part will also be positive. So open the bracket, student, x minus 1 plus x minus 2 means 2x minus 3. So there are three conditions, student. Fx equal to minus 2x plus 3 if x less than 1. This condition, student, we have written. Second, if x lying between 1 and 2, x greater than equal to 1 but less than equal to 2, then answer 1, student. This condition applied. Now third condition, student, if x greater than equal to 2, then 2x minus 3. So there are three conditions, student. Let us check is differentiability first at 1, then at 2. So LHD, left hand derivative at x equal to 1. Limit x tends to c less, fx minus fc upon x minus c. This is the formula. So limit we have to check at 1. Limit x tends to 1 less, fx value. For 1 less, this condition will be applied. Minus 2x plus 3. Minus, we have to put c value 1 upon x minus 1, c value 1, student. Minus 2x plus 3, f1 value. When x equal to 1, answer is 1. So that's why I have written here 1 upon x minus 1. Let us solve. Minus 2x plus 2. Minus 2 is common, student. So x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1 cancel. Answer minus 2. This is LHD at x equal to 1. Now student, RHD at x equal to 1. Formula limit x tends to c plus fx minus fc upon x minus c. So we are checking at 1, student. That's why limit x tends to 1 more. Fx value greater than 1 is 1, student. So at the place of fx we have to write 1. Minus f, put the value of c, 1. Here also c, 1. So 1, f1 value is also 1, student. Equal to sign is there. So if x is equal to 1, answer is 1. Here we have to put 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 upon x minus 1. Answer 0. So LHD is 2 minus 2. RHD is 0. LHD is not equal to RHD. Fx is not differentiable at x equal to 1. Now student, we are going to check at 2 also. LHD at x equal to 2. Same formula, limit x tends to c less fx minus fc upon x minus c. C value 2, student. X tends to 2 less. Fx value less than 2. This condition will be applied 1, student. So here at the place of fx we have to write 1. And c value we have to put 2. Here also 2. F2 value. So x is equal to 2 here, student. 2x minus 3 will be applied. So at the place of x we have to write 2. That's why I have written 2 into 2 minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So its answer is 0. RHD at x equal to 2. Limit x tends to c plus fx minus fc upon x minus c. So x tends to 2 plus more than 2. For more than 2, this function is applied. So 2x minus 3 I have written at the place of fx. fc means f2. f2 value equal to 2. This function will be applied. So 2 into 2 minus 3 upon x minus 2. 2x minus 3 minus 1. 4 minus 3, 1, student. 2x minus 4 upon x minus 2. 2 is common. X minus 2 cancel. RHD answer 2. LHD at x equal to 2, 0. RHD at x equal to 2, 2. So LHD is not equal to RHD. Fx is not differentiable at x equal to 2. Now student, you will remember one thing also, that when fx is given in this form, fx is given in this form, x minus a1 plus x minus a2 plus dot 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 x minus 3. So always remember, it will not be differentiable at x equal to a1, x equal to a2, x equal to a3. Okay students? Okay then, have a nice day.